Hi guys, how's it going? January 24 here, 2 p.m. Central Time. I'm going to make a video about Icon ICX. I know I just did one yesterday, but I know with 100% certainty that a lot of you guys have lost a lot of money on ICX in the past 24 hours, okay? And we're going to go over it in high detail about how you guys probably lost a lot of money, and I'm going to explain to you guys how to minimize it next time. So, if you guys enjoy these videos that I'm making, I'd really appreciate an upvote on steemit, and make sure you guys also like and subscribe to this stuff on YouTube and on Twitter. I'm pretty good at saying that now, right guys? I feel like it's almost a habit, it's like robotic. And if you guys want to donate to the Luna cryptocurrency piggy bank, that's my dog that howls in some videos, you guys are welcome to, but don't ever feel obligated. Now, we're going to get back to this. Everybody has been super bullish about Icon. It's going to break some key levels, right? So you guys have been very bullish on it. I've also been very bullish on it as well, okay? And I still stand bullish on it, okay? Now, I'm going to explain what I know a lot of you guys have done, okay? I bet you anything, when you guys thought that it was bullish, and I know that there's some major announcement coming today, or it came out already, right? And what ended up happening was people probably ended up buying there, or sorry, like they bought like right around here, right? And then it went down. It went down, and everybody probably just dumped. They dumped. This is called panic right here. Okay, this is mass panic right here. This is called washing out the weak hands right here. And you can kind of expect it sometimes to happen. If it happened over here already, and we're getting a general trend line by using these relevant points, then of course it can happen there as well, right? Just to assume it. Now, what was I preaching, guys, a few days ago? Actually, the whole time I've been talking about ICX. I've been talking about specific things, guys. I've been talking about confirmation, okay? You have to wait until confirmation sometimes to enter a trade. If you don't wait for confirmation, you might have entered in a really bad spot. You might have entered it right there or something. You saw it go down. You saw it go down. You're like panicking, and now all of a sudden the weak hands are now washed out, and a lot of people probably took a major loss right here. I know for a fact that a lot of people, we were seeing it consolidate there. They're like, yep, it's gonna bounce. It's already bounced around there, right? And then it's gonna keep going up to 8,200. But oh no, it went down, and then you guys sold and took a massive loss. So what the thing to do with confirmation that I've been talking about for a while now is waiting for it to break an actual pattern where you get lots of volume confirmation and you actually get a closing candle above critical points. That is when a confirmation happens, and that is when it is safe to enter a trade. So you minimize your risk. I can't even imagine, like I feel really bad right now. I know some people personally, I won't mention any names. Geez, I gotta have a blueberry muffin right now. So yeah, I won't mention any names, but I should probably caught that reference that I just made right now with the blueberry muffin. Oh no! Oh no! So anyways, sorry, I'm just a little bit flushed. I'm just thinking of that reference I made. Yeah, she's probably gonna get mad at me for that. I'm pretty sure of it. It's okay though. But yeah, people definitely. I just feel so bad for people right now because I know it happened. Like, you gotta wait until it breaks these key levels, guys. You know, we've been talking about it a really long time already now. We've been talking about keep an eye on the 8,200 range, okay? Keep an eye when it gets to around 8,200. That's when you want to have it on your radar. And then keep an eye when it hits about 86.85. That's the magic number. If it closes above 86.85, then boom, you are now in an uptrend and you have broken that resistance, which is now turned into a support, right? So that's why we got to close above it with a lot of volume. If you don't, and you guys have this FOMO mode where you think it's very safe to buy during consolidation, there's always going to be that moment, right, where there's the consolidation is still happening, and you guys are going to get those weak hands, and you are going to dump, okay? I know for a fact that, yeah, this was a really bad spot. I mean, we're talking about it falling how many percent yesterday, guys? Like, we are talking about 15% drop there, like in literally like 6 hours right there. And then literally in the past hour, guys, it's shot up like a rocket, right? Of course, a lot of you guys are probably saying, darn it, I probably should have held my position right there if I had only held. No, guys, it doesn't work like that. You either stick to your stop loss or you stick to your game plan that, like, once you've entered it, right, you can react to different things happening, but you still have to stick to the majority of your game plan and your guidelines that you've already set for yourself when you've entered the trade. Now, are you guys going to enter a trade? and have a very strict stop loss, right? A very strict stop loss, and no matter what, you'll stick to it there, or you're just going to hope for the best if it reverses, or do you want to enter on a confirmation? It's really up to you guys what you want to do. I'm no advisor, but what I want to do in a swing position is not take the risk of being in that position where it does end up going down a lot more, right? And I don't like to be in that anxious situation. It makes everyone uneasy when you're down 15%, right? As any type of trader. An investor, I don't think they'll look at the swings, right? But they'll hold a very long time. But for traders, like those short-term volatilities, they kill us, right, guys? And I know nobody likes to see a 15% drop. So what I really recommend is people learn confirmation strategies, right? Closing above a resistance point, a specific resistance point with volume, with a good candle as well. Those are the things that you want to look for before entering a longer term hold position. This thing dropped to like $7, like high sixes, low sevens. Now it's at $9 again, guys. It's at $9, okay? So, once again, please wait for confirmation, guys. This is all that I have to say. It was more like a chastising video rather than a technical analysis video. So, it wasn't geared towards anyone specific, and not to my friends or anything at all. I'm just generally speaking, because I saw a 15% drop in 6 hours, right? And now it relates to confirmation and how it can benefit you from not losing money like this in the future again by being too impatient and by entering because of FOMO. So if you guys enjoy these videos, I'd really appreciate an upvote on steemit. Other than that, make sure you guys like and subscribe to the content on YouTube and on Twitter. And if you guys want to donate to the cryptocurrency piggy bank, you guys are absolutely welcome to as well. It goes all towards my dog and her emergency bills down the road. Have yourselves a good one.